All right, we're going to do another unboxing this morning. We have CAT 1750A lithium power station. These are essentially jumper boxes that you use when your battery on your car dies or your truck dies. It's also a combination box where it's got a compressor to fill up air. You have different USB-C, USB Type A outlets on it, so you can charge your phone. It also has LED lights on it, so if you need light when you're on the side of the road, this can help out. This costs about 99 bucks from Costco, and it's $99 that you won't regret spending once you need to use this. The first time you use it, pretty much pays for itself. It's cheaper than a tow. Anyway, let's get to it. Cut this open. Get this out. I'll give you a round shot of all four sides of the box. Has the instructions on it, a list of everything inside. It also has a detailed description. It says it's 25% lighter and 40% smaller. Let's get to it. We have a quick start guide, lets you know what to do with it. Have your standard manual. CAT makes this, so along with their bulldozers and front loaders and all that stuff. You can see from this, the top of the box, you have the USB-C chargers. You have a regular plug, 200 watt max. It looks like an AC plug. It has a battery charger, so if you want to charge it, and then if you want to fill air with the compressor, you press this. I'm going to pull this out. Put this here. This feels like there's something on the bottom of the box. Yep, a little bag. Bag has your jumper cables, positive and negative. Looks like an easy plug to plug in. And then you have your USBs, USB-C, USB-B, USB-A. Put this back in the box. Put this back in the bag. It's a decent gauge wire, and decent attachments for your battery. Pull this out of the bag. It's got some nice handles on it. These handles are actually made of metal. This one rolls. These don't roll. That's where the compressor attachment is if you need to pump up your tires, or football or basketball. It's your LED light. This is where you plug in the cables to attach to the battery. And as you see, it's got different shapes, so you can't plug it in wrong. You have your LED, see that? And this is just a vented side. Now if you look at the top, I have it upside down. At the top it's got a battery button, tells you how voltage. It's got these buttons. And there you have it. This is the Cat 1750A lithium power station. It's works on trucks, cars, motorcycles, and ATVs. And it's very light. To me, it feels like it weighs about maybe 4 pounds at the most. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that.